are met with Jeet Goyal sir. He is a CEO of Excel Corp and he lived 30 years in USA. So I will be love to talk with him and what product he is delivering here. I will show you here. So sir, what your Excel Corp describes here?
Thank you guys. Excel Corp is a US-based company.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Anmol Gupta and I always welcome you in my videos Anmol Vibes A2. So currently living in Bangalore and in PG with my all friends Vishal, Kaf and one more is Harsh, and we are going to Bangalore Summit, that is Bangalore Summit 2025 in the Ashok Lalit 5-star hotel it is. So we are going to attend that summit, so hope it will be good for us and we will learn so many skills from there, like it is an innovation tech summit, so we are going to attend that one. So guys, finally हमारी कैब आ गई है. We all settled down. That is again Harsh, Kaf and there is Vishal. Yeah, this is Vishal. So we are moving towards the Ashok Lalit Palace. So stay tuned in the whole video. I will show you something innovative at Tech Summit where you will gain hands-on experience, like what are the things going on summit, what are the new technology came in the market. So stay tuned in the whole video. We'll meet and we'll try to talk with them like what innovatives they are created. So stay in the video. So guys, finally we are in the summit like at entrance. So गाइस, यहाँ देखो ये रोबोटिक्स वगैरह की चीज़ें यहाँ पे, जैसे रोबोट्स हैं, उधर कुछ है, आर्डिनो से बनती हैं वो सारी चीज़ें. तो रोबोट विच इज द प्रोडक्ट आउट ऑफ गाय हु डेवलप्ड digitally AI method. So what we do in first year, we teach them how to operate this machine, how to connect this like a API integration with LLM. पुढे ChatGPT जरा बसवलं.
make every youth employable, and you see the industry every day. Love to get your insights and direction.
Well, firstly, I must congratulate Dr. Shan Prakash on this fabulous Bengaluru Skill Summit. I think he set the tone not just for the industries, not just for our state, but also for a larger debate across the country on how we need to ensure we have skill surveys, we map skill sets to people, map them back to industries.
So guys, currently we are at the exhibition and we are met with Jeet Goyal sir. He is CEO of Excel Corp and he lived 30 years in USA. So I will be love to talk with him and what product he is delivering here, I will show you here. So sir, what your Excel Corp describes here?
Thank you guys. Excel Corp is a US-based company, New Jersey-based company. We're in business for more than 20 plus years. We are a product innovations and product design company. We are in India for last couple of years. One of our commitment for India is upskilling. We want to make sure that the fresh engineering graduates are skilled to get a job in the job market. We have multiple products in the market. You can see here, Kitos, Intel School, WTCF, Guide Juniors, Talent RPO. We have multiple products in the market.
Okay. So sir, what facility or like what providing your Ninth platform?
So Ninth NYNST means recall is a subsidiary of Excel Corp USA. This is designed to upskill the students. We have collaborated like hundreds of colleges worldwide. We bring the students. It's not a training center. It's not a theoretical. It's practical, more towards the job oriented. So NINST is a platform that enables the students to get a job in the job market. Also NINST collaborates with a lot of colleges to set up a center of excellence, faculty development programs, a lot of like entrepreneurship, a lot of other things that we offer to the colleges.
Okay sir. So like you are providing the gap between the students' career and what their skill set getting in the colleges. So you are providing and fulfilling the gap between their skill set.
Correct. So this is like an ecosystem. It's not only for students and academia. If you look at like the industry, the companies, they are looking for talented people, resources.
Yes,
so
sir.
they are one of our stakeholders. Then we work with the governments, right? The government also wants to get a lot of jobs for the people.
Yes.
Then work with the college universities. They want to see the industries are hiring their people. And the fourth is students. They are not getting the job. So there are a lot of people involved in this particular ecosystem. And finally parents. If their students, their kids are getting a job, the parents have become the most happiest people.
Yes,
so there are
yes,
a lot of people involved in this particular initiative that we have.
Okay. Thank you so much sir. I will love to talk with you.
Thank you for stopping by.
Yeah.
So guys, here we wrap up the session. That was Bengaluru Skill Summit 2025 at the Ashok Lalit Hotel. So what we learn over from there, I will be telling you with my friend. So Harsh, what do you learn over there?
I learned and grabbed more knowledge. I took some experience
Robotics.
robotics,
Okay.
which can call itself take
Handicraft
your photo.
products
There were many handicraft products.
like
and
Max.
there were some education platform where I can upskill my skills. You know, like
Springboard, Infosys Springboard was there. Some edtech companies were,
Yes.
edtech
Like
companies
this.
were there where they are providing your placement assistance
Yes.
as well as upskilling courses they are providing. Basically, it was all about networking and all.
Yes,
So,
yes.
yeah.
So how to make your connection? How to
Upskill
how
yourself.
You can grab some experience.
Okay, so basically they are providing, like they came from the innovation sectors where you saw robotics,
Yeah.
IoT devices
Yeah.
like robots, and in IT you saw edtech companies, edtech businessmen,
Yeah.
partners, entrepreneurs, where they are providing the
They are
products
making
like
platform like you can go through paid promotions or
Yeah.
you can do some free also.
free
Yeah.
free course, free training, where you upskill yourself, right?
Yes.
So guys, this is all about the tech summit. As we what explored, I don't know what beyond this, and I have like interviewed one student over there at in front of the gate, so I will show you that also. Like he actually is not showing his face, so what is his opinion, what he learned from that summit. I will show you that also. So guys, currently we also attended, but we got a participant here. So what you learn here?
So basically there are like lots of expo shops and all are there, and so many new startups and businesses you can get to know, and some good opportunities for students, and especially for the companies and the startups. If you wanna get any kind of partners for the tools and related to that, you can get those kind of support also, because there are like some companies also presenting their stuff there. Also there are like some round tables, and some speakers, some professional speakers, and are giving some good speeches, and also it's very interactive, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and keep learning, keep exploring, and subscribe my channel, because if you subscribe me, definitely it will help me a lot, as well as you also. You will learn from me, and I will get motivated if you like my videos and subscribe, so that I will make such videos for you all, so that you will explore. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good life. Have a great journey in your life.
Bye guys.
Bye.